Welcome to Shadowing English. If you're ready to improve your English, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, let's get started.
English Learners Podcast. Listen, learn, and speak English with confidence. Have you ever finished a conversation wishing you had said just one more sentence? Many English learners do not struggle because they lack vocabulary. They struggle because they stop speaking too soon. My name is Annie, and welcome to day 2 of our 10-day English speaking challenge. Yesterday, you proved that you could overcome the fear of speaking. Today we will take the next step by learning how to keep a conversation going naturally with confidence. Remember, real fluency is built through small daily conversations, not through memorizing hundreds of grammar rules. Every sentence you speak is another brick in the strong foundation of your English. Today's story follows someone who decides to start one simple conversation and discovers that confidence grows with every reply. As you practice, imagine yourself in the same situation and speak every sentence out loud with energy and belief. Before we begin, tell me one place where you hope to use English this week by leaving a comment below. Relax, smile, trust your progress, and let's begin day 2 together.
On the second day of my challenge, I wanted to speak more than yesterday. On the second day of my challenge, I wanted to speak more than yesterday. On the second day of my challenge, I wanted to speak more than yesterday.
Good job.
I decided to start a friendly conversation during my coffee break. I decided to start a friendly conversation during my coffee break. I decided to start a friendly conversation during my coffee break.
Nice.
A new coworker was sitting alone near the window. A new coworker was sitting alone near the window. A new coworker was sitting alone near the window.
Great job.
I walked over slowly and introduced myself with a smile. I walked over slowly and introduced myself with a smile. I walked over slowly and introduced myself with a smile.
Well done.
We talked about our favorite food and weekend activities. We talked about our favorite food and weekend activities. We talked about our favorite food and weekend activities.
Nice work.
Sometimes I needed a few seconds to find the right words. Sometimes I needed a few seconds to find the right words. Sometimes I needed a few seconds to find the right words.
That was great.
Instead of feeling embarrassed, I stayed calm and kept talking. Instead of feeling embarrassed, I stayed calm and kept talking. Instead of feeling embarrassed, I stayed calm and kept talking.
Perfect.
My coworker patiently waited and encouraged me to continue. My coworker patiently waited and encouraged me to continue. My coworker patiently waited and encouraged me to continue.
Keep it going.
That kindness helped me relax and speak more naturally. That kindness helped me relax and speak more naturally. That kindness helped me relax and speak more naturally.
Good job.
Soon we were laughing together and sharing funny stories. Soon we were laughing together and sharing funny stories. Soon we were laughing together and sharing funny stories.
Nice.
I noticed that confidence grows when conversations become enjoyable. I noticed that confidence grows when conversations become enjoyable. I noticed that confidence grows when conversations become enjoyable.
Great job.
After lunch, I greeted another colleague in English without hesitation. After lunch, I greeted another colleague in English without hesitation. After lunch, I greeted another colleague in English without hesitation.
Well done.
Each conversation became a little easier than the last one. Each conversation became a little easier than the last one. Each conversation became a little easier than the last one.
Nice work.
I realized that speaking often is the fastest way to improve. I realized that speaking often is the fastest way to improve. I realized that speaking often is the fastest way to improve.
That was great.
Every friendly reply gave me more courage to speak again. Every friendly reply gave me more courage to speak again. Every friendly reply gave me more courage to speak again.
Perfect.
When I arrived home, I felt grateful for every small success today. When I arrived home, I felt grateful for every small success today. When I arrived home, I felt grateful for every small success today.
Keep it going.
I smiled because I knew tomorrow I would speak with even greater confidence. I smiled because I knew tomorrow I would speak with even greater confidence. I smiled because I knew tomorrow I would speak with even greater confidence.
Good job.
Amazing work on completing day 2 of your 10-day English speaking challenge. Today you learned that great conversations do not begin with perfect English. They begin with the courage to say the first sentence and the willingness to keep talking. Practice today's story again later, and notice how your pronunciation becomes smoother each time. If you finished today's shadowing practice, write day 2 done in the comments and tell us one new expression you want to use tomorrow. Keep showing up every day, because your confidence is growing one conversation at a time. I'll see you in day 3 for another real-life English speaking adventure.